Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So task manager visibility bug in Windows 10 22H2. Let's recently launch the KB series. Okay, this KB series after installing KB5020044 task might display link implement using effective to color. So guys, how to fix these issues? Firstly guys, click to start control panel. You can search directly CONT, click to control panel, uninstall program and uninstall update. So guys, KB5020044, this is we want to uninstall. Okay, uninstall. Okay, so select and then uninstall and then do not restart. Okay, please remove your internet, otherwise you remove using computer, so remove your LAN cable. If you using laptop, so disable your Wi-Fi and then restart, because you now continue restart, so again install this update. Okay then guys, do, and please comment me what you solve or not problem here.